Hi, I'm Scott, one of the co-founders of The Vegan Kind, and back in early 2018 we knew that the long span shelving system that we were using for our pick and pack e-commerce operation probably wasn't fit for purpose and that we needed to find a better solution. Jumped onto the internet and came across multiple suppliers that claimed to be able to help, and after a thorough investigation we chose Thistle Systems, whereby I was introduced to Stephen. Stephen, over the course of a 10-month period, pretty much held my hand through the process of scoping out a few units, deciding which one was the best for us, and I would say went above and beyond in terms of helping us come to the right solution for us, which is what you can see behind us. We've now got a 2-tier pick and pack system which allows us to stock. We've got about maybe 3,000 products on the lower floor, and the upper floor we won't be actually using for another 6 months or so. But you can see up there that we've got a pallet gate so that we can expand our SKUs without actually having to move warehouse, which was the biggest problem we were having as a growing business. We were finding that we were filling up the spaces too quickly, and then when we ran out of space we were having to find a new warehouse. So in order to future-proof ourselves for the duration of the lease in this unit, we wanted a system that would utilise the height. And what we thought we needed at first was purely a mezzanine system so that we had some flat storage space on a higher level. But after a consultation with Stephen and Thistle, we were basically convinced that this would be the right solution for us, and rather than having just a flat space up above, we would make better use of it by actually having picking locations. So if you want to come through, so as you'll see, the way we're using it at the moment is we've been able to label all the aisles. We've been able to label all of the locations, and it just means from a pick and pack environment we can isolate, each shelf to hold in maybe 3 or 4 SKUs times each shelf, and it just means from a pick and pack perspective the staff can start at the very bottom of the system, work their way all the way up to the top, exit out the left, and for us we operate in a chill room as well, so they can go over to the chill room, grab the stuff in there and go over to our packing benches. But anyway, can't recommend Thistle enough, and specifically Stephen McCulloch, who was a huge help to me and continues to be so. So this is just a testimonial for them, and I would definitely recommend.